Today you will be finding the area of a sector. A sector of a circle is the portion of a circle enclosed by two radii and an arc. In the previous activity, you explored the relationship between the area of a sector and the area of a circle. That relationship can be expressed as a part-to-whole ratio, where the degrees of the central angle, theta, divided by the total degrees in a circle, 360, is equal to the area of a sector divided by the total area in the circle, represented by pi r squared. In this example, we have 40 over 360 is equal to the sector area over pi 12 squared. We can also write this as 40 over 360 is equal to sector area over 144 pi. At this point, we need to cross multiply and divide. So 144 pi times 40 divided by 360. It is not necessary to include pi in your calculations so long as it's included in your answer. So for this equation, I entered 144 times 40 divided by 360, and the answer was 16. So the area of the sector is 16 pi. Find the area of the green sector. First, find the measure of the sector's central angle. The central angle forms a linear pair with 60 degrees. 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. The measure of the central angle is 120 degrees. Next, determine the length of the radius. The radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2. The radius in this problem will be equal to 8 divided by 2. The radius is equal to 4 centimeters. Step 3, set up the part-to-whole ratio. 120 degrees divided by 360 is equal to the sector area divided by pi 4 squared, or 120 divided by 360 is equal to the sector area over 16 pi. Cross multiply and divide. 16 pi times 120 divided by 360. Once again, it is not required to include pi in your calculations so long as it is included in your answer. 16 times 120 divided by 360 is 16/3. 16 over 3 pi, or 16 pi over 3. Either answer is acceptable. Find the area of the red sector. In this example, the measure of the central angle is given in radians. First, convert the radians to degrees. 5 pi over 9 is equal to 5 times 180 over 9. So the measure of the central angle is 100 degrees. Next, set up and solve the part-to-whole ratio. 100 over 360 is equal to sector area over 144 pi. Cross multiply and divide. 144 pi times 100 divided by 360 is equal to 40 hot.